You must tell Mpaketsana, if I work in this unit, this is according to the guidelines, the PPE that I must wear. So how sanya kun deliver la chona cheu, utabona how to finish. That's what must happen.
Simple slides in. Again. The next one that we have is the nasal cannula. This nasal cannula, this one is for adults. Comes in 3 sizes. We have small, we have medium, we have large. As well as for Bana, we have the same sizes. Again. So this one, it will go here. Then we connect it to our patient to get the high flow oxygen. We're going to go by fire. And then before we turn on the machine, and we can hang it there because we don't have a patient again. On the side of the machine, we've got the filter. This filter, because of the virus, it's advisable to reach and change between patients. But we can change, in normal circumstances, is once a month.
We know that we had a spike of COVID-19 in this hospital. We are happy with the information that Mpaketsana gave us, that the recoveries are very good. Normally when we complain, when we are grabbed by anxiety, I would always call the MEC, and the MEC will always tell us what to do. And we take it that the health workers as the front-line staff are the first people to know what is it that we need to do. But also in this area of Kamloi, is one of the hot spots. So we are expecting that the frontline staff in this hospital would also be alive to that fact, so that even
whether it's local government, we want to start from the ward council. When we launch our community-based approach search plan, we said we're going to do house-to-house visit. We want every councillor to understand how many households are in their ward. We want them to understand that how many people are diabetic in their ward, how many people have got hypertension, so that when you get to that point where you're having problems, who are we going to quarantine so that they don't mix with us and we infect them? Because when we infect them, they won't survive. So we've been able to do that because we were working as a collective and as a team. And that's why we were able to cap the spread. Workers are where they are today. It was not nice here. St. Rita's today, we have recorded 84 healthcare workers who have been infected. It's one of the largest numbers in the province when you look at hospitals. But the one thing that I must say here is that out of 84 of you who were infected, all of you have recovered. That's one thing that you must know. We have recovered, all of us. Ashinki Ridire RIP. I pray every day. I can tell you, Executive Mayor, I pray every day before I sleep to say, God, if there's one thing that I'm asking, is that please, as we are fighting this battle, let's fight, but at the end of the day, when I count all my soldiers, I know some of us will be infected on the way, but God, what I'm asking you is that allow us to recover. And up to so far in the province, we've had almost 600 health workers who have been infected. And not, I think it could even be more than that, because the 600 I was looking at was for nurses and doctors. And all of them, we have not experienced any single death. That will really, it's comforting. We want to show that we care about our healthcare workers. People call them frontliners, but we call them our last line of defense. Whatever my big sister, Mayor, wherever the last line of defense, it's because I don't know when I repair the mask or never know. Mask here is not a guarantee that we might not be infected. We can be infected even wearing mask. A sanitizer, it's not a guarantee. Of course, it reduces our risk of infected, but it's a guarantee. And then repractice it a social distance. a se guarantee ya gore o ka diragala wa se infected tšatši le go tla baisa wa ba infected and wa baisa ka motho morogo a re fitlha ga ye re nwa digali ke ya kere le di-ginger le dilo tše ka moka ba bangwe ba re le nwa lengana le bone gore le ntse le nwa tšona lengana tšewene which we don't have evidence whether they are safety in terms of your kidneys. Because whatever you drink or medication you take, it's metabolized by your liver and excreted by your kidneys. I'm correct, doctors, that side. Yes, I still remember. Your liver metabolize them and your kidneys excrete them. And as they get that lingana la linali excrete, you don't know the damage that they are doing. So you might be negative. Once only busy. More no ke aleno lingana. Kire mara uno virus uno ke aleno kire go tshwana le ga sa robela so wa re ntse POP. Wa tshwantse go tsentsha POP le tsa le sa robela. Don't drink things that you don't know and that are not scientifically proven. We did not refuse as government that we are not going to test and whatever all these African herbs. We have already, the minister has handed over to the research councils in the country. In the meantime, Nakiri, please, you are going to drink them. And when you come to our facility, COVID negative. And when you are negative, but unfortunately, when we look at your urea and creatinine, it's a disaster. Paparna or Marna, you need dialysis. Marna, you die because of renal failure and complications. So let's be careful what we drink. Things that we were not told by the doctors, let us not drink. What we see people advertising out there, sometimes I compare them to prophet apostle they are not different from that because there is no evidence that says that can be able to cure and treat you. So and we still get sick. So what is our last line? Our hope. You can drink all those things like the social distance like Hadipala, executive mayor. That's why you saw us coming here to give you those high flow oxygen so that you don't find yourself in trouble. We want to be closer to home. We want the nurses and the doctors be able to treat us. Remember, how Kapalava, if these people who are here, some are at the back, it's Amen. Behind you guys, behind our nurses and our doctors, it's a grave. No, behind them, COVID, maybe we don't tell COVID. Let's your last line of defense. So that's why as a department we said as Limpopo government, we will never compromise correlative only American listener PPE. That one you must never agree to touch a patient when you have not protected yourself first. You must tell him, if I work in this unit, this is according to the guidelines, the PPE that I must wear. So how can you deliver la chonache? Utabona how to finish. That's what must happen. We are not going to compromise the lives of our healthcare worker. There's least that we can do. Alikraili danger allowance. So alikraili danger allowance, the little that government can do, it's those PPEs. So why should we fail? It's an outside of the PPE in Rempaketa. Hotanalo uri mashalaba yolo. Wabawofa mato wararian tuncha babambali tunch. That's what you're doing. If you don't give your healthcare workers PPE, you are tying their hands and say fight. And that is impossible. You must give them guns so that they can go and fight and they can shoot also. and be able to. We are fighting an invisible enemy, as the president said. The only way we can win it is to arm ourselves, protect ourselves. Re na re tlo le tlisetsa metšhini e le inyakang, ra ba ra le train. I hope ba le trainile ba le tla ba le bereka ka unit ena. If le sa trainiwa, you call me, I will make sure you get trained. You can't use a machine that you are not trained with. So all what we are asking is that PPE is morally. You know I don't compromise on those ones. Let's make sure we protect our staff.
Spedisere maswana manyana bo mutho a beile mutla pele metšhini ya la o itlishiteng ka kwe yone e tlo go thuša bophelo gore bo tswele pele re kgopela gore o ye gore salela mo goreng akere o ye gore salela o rie gore ka moso e tle e fete ka mogolo gore setšhaba sa rena se phologe gomme rena MEC re go eme nokeng re sa rialo re mošomo o mogologolo o swereng wa go phološa maphelo ka mmogo le bana ba gago ba baoki ra o leboga ka re a nkabe se bona setšhaba se sa magoši setšhaba se sa presidente nkabe se feta ka mogo se leng se tlhokofetše gomme ka ana mantšu a ra go leboga re mo ye bona ditsela tša